ABCD is a rectangle. We're asked to find DM. Okay, before I solve this, there is a property that if you have a triangle, a right angle triangle to be precise, that the median, a median is a line. So once this is a right angle triangle there, so this is 90. So the line that runs from the vertex to the hypotenuse is always, that's the median, is always half the hypotenuse. So for this to be the median means that this will divide this into two equal parts. So that's it. So in a triangle, once BD is the median, the length is always half of the hypotenuse. So applying it in our equation, we see that AE and EC will be 9. Each of them will be 9 based on what I've just stated. And since this is a, remember this is 90, that's why seems I was very fast. This is 90, so this should be 60. This is 90. So since here is 60, this is an isosceles triangle. Yes. BAE is an isosceles triangle. So making here to be 60 also, since the sides are 9 cm, so this is 60. So making this length to be 9. So it's an equilateral triangle, yes. It's a special type of isosceles. Since this is 9, this is 60, this should be 60, making it 18. So the total angle is 18, 60. Each of them is 60, making the sides to be the same, 9. And since here is 9, here is also 9. Yes. So CD is 9. And since CD is 9, and this angle is 30, this should be 60. So the angle here is 60 degrees. Therefore, CK will be 9 over root 3. Okay, you'll be wondering how I got 9 over root 3. So there is a special theorem that if you have a right angle triangle such that the interior angles are 30, 60, assuming the smallest side, that's the one opposite 30 is x, then the one opposite 6 will be x times root 3, and the one opposite 90 will be 2x. It's called 30, 60, 90 triangle theorem. So that's what I used here. Since the one opposite 60 is 9, the one opposite 30 will be 9 over root 3. So, and then the one opposite, that's DK. DK will be double of that, so that should be 18. So here, CD, okay, let me use, CD will be 18 over root 3, based on what I just stated. The 30, 60, 90 triangle theorem. And since this CD is 18 root 3, we are to find DM using Pythagorean theorem. So DM now will now be square root of the difference of the hypotenuse. That's Pythagorean theorem minus 6 squared. And meanwhile, 18 root 3 is 6 root 3. So this should be 6 root 3 all squared minus 6 squared. So we can factor 6 squared is common in both. We have 3 minus 1. So square root of 36 is 6. Square root of, okay, 2, no perfect square root. So the answer is 6 root 2. So that should be option B. So we use the knowledge of median of a hypotenuse and 30, 60, 90 triangle to solve the equation fast. So thank you.